Hey guys, and welcome back to another 3D printing time-lapse video. So I appreciate you guys joining the channel. I hope you like these time lapses of actually watching the print. And the model I want to discuss today is something that's very important in our world. Face masks. With COVID-19 and things going around, face masks have become a very necessary thing to a lot of people. It's a big recommendation that you wear a face mask, even though there's a lot of controversy on it. I'm not getting into that. Don't want to go there. But today we're going to print a 3D printed face mask that is in 3 pieces. It requires no support at all to print. It's actually a really good model. And the filter grate is pretty neat. There's 2 types in this model plan. You can do the N95 insert, or you can do one where you can just put some fabric or material in here. And actually, I'll kind of show the grate size here. You can actually use just a cotton pad in here as a filter. So it's 3 pieces. So enjoy the print. I'll talk to you here in a few minutes. Alright guys, so that's the print. It's pretty simple, good little model. So, and when it comes together, it's actually it's a 3-piece click together once it's done. So you just get that slotted in there, you put your filter material in, you take your grate, put that in. Sometimes these can need a little bit of grinding or refinement to slap together. And there you go. You have a breathable, workable, good filter mask. This is the standard filter, not the N95. You've got 4 cable points to put in your material, and on you go. Now, one trick to this too is if you get some rubber tubing, like a airline from for an aquarium tank, you can put it around the edge, cut it, and put it around the edge. It's just kind of a grip and filter, and you've got a good mask to be going out in the world with. So that's a pretty simple model. I think I printed this I printed it 1 piece at a time. I've tried printing all 3 pieces in one print. It didn't come out too well, especially these smaller pieces, because I actually did this with I like to do rafts on my models. I didn't do a raft. This was straight to my bed. It's quick, nitty gritty, and can be cleaned up really easy. So definitely, with COVID and everything going along, if you need a good mask and you got a 3D printer, or if you got a hospital that's running short on supplies, this can be an awesome thing to do for your community. So I appreciate you guys' time. If you like what you saw, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button to get more impacts on 3D printing, my 3D prints that I try to do. Also, just getting credit out there for those artists that make this stuff, and getting stuff out there for you to get enthusiastic about 3D printing. It's become my hobby. It's a passion of mine. I enjoy doing it, and I want to share what I do. Also, just kind of one of those things. This is a good thing to have on hand for anything that you do. So, and if you have a 3D printer and you want to, I'm sure there's hospitals in your area that could use the help, or just the face masks, or community centers. So definitely worth, if you've got the time. I actually sent some out to my mother-in-law in Arizona. She's a nurse. I sent a batch of 9 of these because they were short on masks at their hospital. So I appreciate your guys' time. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and especially tune in for those how-to videos. If you're just getting started out with a 3D printer and you want to jazz up your printer or just learn how to do things, those videos are coming. We're starting to get them out, just using my experience and stuff to get those videos out there. So I appreciate it, guys. We'll see you in the next one.